Hello, welcome to the May Wings, Worms, and Wonder Viviva Ambassador painting video. This month, I'm coming to you from one of my favorite cities in the entire world, Stockholm, Sweden. I've got my tea, I've got my kanelbulle, and we are going to be here at Tanto Colony Områd, so Tanto Community Garden Allotments, and we're going to be looking for signs of spring here in Sweden. So for this month's project, I invite you to look for signs of spring in your neck of the woods, however far progressed they may be at this point. Maybe you're just starting spring like here in Sweden, or maybe you're well into spring and it almost feels like summer like in my hometown in Florida. So let's begin. I'm going to take you on a little tour of some of the nature, spring nature, that will be inspiring me. And then we're going to use the Viviva spring color set, right, perfect for spring, to do some quick sketches in the field of spring nature that we're finding. Let's go.
Bicycles in the sky, we're riding twice as high. In the phosphorescent glow, like richness and cloud, we're a mile off the ground. When you and I were riding.
One of the things I love most about Stockholm is how integrated nature is into the fabric of the city. Here in Tantolunden, we are immersed in the dead center of the city, yet it's like we're in a beautiful park. And this is how it is everywhere. And everyone is welcome. These aren't privatized areas. So you are welcome to wander and find all the signs of spring and beautiful nature that you can here. And I love that.
Cloud, we're a mile off the ground. When you and I were riding rainbows.
When you're painting in the field, all you need is a few things. You need your sketchbook, of course, a tiny thing of water, or a water brush if you like to use water brushes. I have just a little pouch I bring with me. Some pens and pencils, brushes, and a paper towel. You can have an eraser too, or anything else you like, but the most important things not to forget are something to sit on. I have a sit-upon here that I always bring with me, and your paints. And the Viviva color sheets are perfect for painting in the field because they're so lightweight. So we're going to be painting these little blue flowers here, and I don't know what they are, but they're really cute, and it doesn't matter. I don't need to know what they are. I can creatively connect with them, and then later, back at home, I can discover what their name is. Okay, let's paint.
Effervescent and speed bikes, never been to greater heights.
Okay, I'm ready to paint. I'm not going to be drawing or getting too formal with this because, as you can tell, it is chilly outside, and I'm sitting on a hill. You know, it's not the most comfortable, cozy spot to sit, but it's really sweet, and they're these beautiful flowers, and I just can't resist. So in my Viviva spring colors set, because it's spring, I'm going to be focusing on the ocean blue, midnight blue, and indigo blue because I can see here with my little palette, there's a lot of these colors here. There's also a little magenta I'm seeing here in the flowers, and then the stems definitely are a violet and magenta mixed probably with the indigo blue. So I'm just going to be doing sketches here. I can take photos, I can do more detailed drawings at home if I want to, but right now I just want to capture the feeling of spring emerging in this beautiful, beautiful place in a city I love. All right.
Effervescent and speed bikes, never been to greater heights. Beneath our feet we watch the colors glow on the day that you and I were riding rainbow, riding I can ride anywhere. I can ride anything. I can ride anywhere. I can't believe that we're riding rainbows. Riding rainbows. Riding rainbows. We reach out our hands through the arc concentric bands, forming opposite the sun. And though each reflected ray will evaporate away to reveal their emptiness, but the real illusion's not in these colors suspended and then lost. No, it's that in every bit of sun, this full spectrum looks like one. When you and I were riding.
All right. I think this really captures the wind and the breeze, and it's loose and it's fun, and it really feels like today here in this beautiful community garden. So I hope you can see how painting out in the field can just be free and fun and just completely let you spend a moment in the moment with the nature that you're all around. So I hope that you'll go out into your spring nature and do some painting and showing the signs of spring. You can use the Viviva spring color set if you like, and I love to see them. So be sure to comment and let me know what's your favorite sign of spring. Have a great day, and see you next time.